and I often travel with no particular destination in mind. In fact, it's not unusual to find us in the morning looking at the various magazines, books, maps, looking for places that might be beautiful for photography, and frankly, just a lovely spot to go camping. And this is how this trip took place, and I hope you enjoy our little excursion to Granite Creek. We stayed in Granite Creek Campground, way at the south end of the campground. And here is the aerial view that we had right from our camping spot. Can it get any more beautiful?
Hi folks!
And welcome back to another Travels of Red Rover. I'm Sean.
And I'm Corinne.
And where are we tonight?
Tonight we are in Wyoming. We're south of Jackson in a U.S. forestry area on Granite Creek.
It is a absolutely gorgeous area.
Yes, you can see behind us.
You see behind us, it's right up there. It's beautiful. We did not intend to do a video here. We were going to take the day off, but it is so gorgeous. And we literally have the perfect campsite to do some photography from that we just decided we pretty much had to do it.
Yeah, there's a bit of high cloud and we're dealing with the, high exposure that comes with that over the mountains. But we're doing our best to knock that down and get some good mountain and stream pictures.
So we're a little early for sunset. In fact, we may not really get a sunset.
Yeah, we have a big hill over there in the west.
And a big cloud bank over there in the west.
And that's to the east.
And yes, behind us here is the east, sort of southeast. And up that way, which you'll see in a minute, there's a beautiful peak with what looks like a big granite column on it. It's really quite attractive. It looks kind of a little bit like a castle with a turret. And that's going to be probably my main subject this evening. We got a chance also to do some video. It's a forestry area, so we get
drone video.
Drone video. Drone video. It's a beautiful area, and we were doing a little bit of photography along the creek itself. It's an absolutely beautiful creek. And meanders down from the mountain, so we were taking some drone shots, and hopefully that'll turn out as well.
Well, here's a view of the granite peak that Sean was talking about, and you can see the stream going by here, Granite Creek. It meanders downhill from the top left of the picture there down to the bottom right. And we also have a few other peaks over there just to the south. And I've been taking pictures of both this main mountain peak here and also a couple of the smaller ones, depending on the lighting. It's a nice evening, but I think now our sun is just about behind that hill to the west. We walked up the creek a little ways earlier today and visited a waterfall. We'll show you some of those pictures that we took with iPhones.
In addition to the very beautiful waterfall, we also saw a lot of spring flowers as we walked up the trail. And here's a sample of a few of them.
We really enjoy going to the iconic locations and doing some photography. We always like to see if we can find a slightly different take on a picture that other people have done, or get a really nice quality gallery image of a place that people will recognize. But sometimes it's also nice to get out and find some lesser known locations, something that people might not have seen before, and hopefully something that they can equally enjoy for its naturalness and also unique because they haven't seen it a lot before.
So Karina and I are photographing this beautiful mountain that's up behind me here. See up over my right shoulder, and it's absolutely gorgeous. The sun is starting to go down. It's actually going to go down behind the mountains in front of me here in a few minutes, and hopefully we'll get a few nice shots of that. So, Corrine, what did you think of the evening?
Well, the early part of the evening was pretty good. Some light clouds over the mountains, a little bit of blown out highlights there that I think I can still adjust. But the last part of the evening just didn't work out. All the clouds came in, no sunset.
Yeah, we've got a lot of clouds rolling in here in the last couple hours, and it really did pretty much blank out our sunset. I mean, there's a little tiny bit of interesting light back into the west here of us, but really we got none at all tonight. And it's just the way the cookie crumbles. It was looked like a possibility earlier in the evening, and I'm absolutely certain that if we hadn't set up and we hadn't tried, it would have been spectacular and we would have missed it. So it's all part of the landscape photography game.
Yeah, you gotta try, and you never know if you'll get surprised. We had a nice surprise a few nights ago when we were at Flaming Gorge and didn't think we'd get a sunset, but it popped out.
Yep, that's exactly how it happened. But wait, don't go away yet, because we were really, really wrong.
We thought that the evening was ending and the clouds were going to ruin the night, but just as we were wrapping up our photography, we saw some light on the top of those mountains.
and it was beautiful.
Yeah, I hope I captured that. It was fleeting.
It was. We had to, very much like Flaming Gorge. It was when it popped, and then when it was finished, it was finished. And here are a few of the shots that we took that evening, even the ones we almost missed. We sure hope you enjoy them. I sure hope you folks enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up.
And if you'd like to see more of our videos, we sure hope you'll hit the subscribe button down below.
And as always, if you want to know when we release a video, hit that bell button also down below.
And we love your comments and questions and thoughts, so if you have something you'd like to share with us, just let us know.
Yes, we've gotten a couple really lovely comments in the recent past with some interesting questions, and we really appreciate getting those comments and hearing from you. So please keep them up. We really enjoy it. And until next time, bye for now.